Chapter 6. Life of Animals. Introduction. The Earth has a diverse climate. At places it is very cold and at other places it is very hot. It has extremely dry areas and very wet areas also. Animals have adapted themselves to these varied climatic conditions. Their eating habits, their body and skin and their behavior patterns are well adapted to their habitats. Habitat. Animals are found everywhere on the earth. They are found in large variety on land, in water and in air. The surroundings where an animal lives and grows is called habitat. A habitat provides the animal with air, food, water and shelter. All animals are adapted to live in a particular habitat. Some main habitats on Earth are forests, deserts, polar region, ocean and fresh water. Let us learn in brief about each of them. Forest. A forest is a complex ecosystem covered densely by trees and different types of plants. Forests provide shelter to a large variety of animals like lion, bear, tiger, elephant, etc., who live in forests. Several types of insects live on the forest floor. Rabbit, snake, earthworm and rat live inside burrows. Desert. Approximately one-third of the Earth's land surface is sandy and dry region that receives very little rainfall, called desert. It is usually very hot during the day and cold during the night. Animals living in desert have thick skin to avoid water loss through sweating. They store water, fat and food in their body to sustain their living in harsh conditions of desert. Camel, rattlesnake, scorpion and ground squirrel are found in deserts. Polar region. The snow-covered areas of North and South Pole are called polar regions. The North Pole is named Arctic and South Pole is called Antarctica. Animals living in these areas have developed special features to cope with such circumstances. Their bodies are covered with fur over a thick layer that keeps them warm. Some animals found in polar region are polar bear, penguin, walrus, seal and Arctic fox. Oceans. An ocean is a large, continuous body of saline, salty, water that covers 2/3 of the Earth's surface. It is the world's largest habitat. A wide range of animals are found here. Whale, octopus, sharks, jellyfish, etc. are found in oceans. Freshwater. Rivers, lakes and ponds are examples of freshwater habitat. Some animals live in water, example fish and shrimp. Some animals can live both on land and in water, example amphibians like frog and salamander. Any features or habits that help an animal to adjust to its habitat are called adaptation. Different animals show different types of adaptations depending on the habitat they live in. These adaptations can be in their movement, breathing organs, body coverings and eating habits. Adaptation for movement. Animals move from one place to another in order to search for food and water, protecting themselves from enemies and for shelter. They have special organs to move in their habitat. Most terrestrial animals have 4 limbs. The front limbs are called forelimbs and the back limbs are called hind limbs. Humans use their hind limbs to walk and forelimbs to hold objects. Animals like horses, tigers, dogs, elephant, etc. use all the four limbs to move. Kangaroos make use of their hind limbs to hop. Lizard and crocodiles are reptiles. They have four short legs to crawl on ground. Snakes are also reptiles. Instead of legs, they have scales on their bodies. These are attached to their ribs. Snakes move because of their strong muscles and ribs. Bats are flying mammals. The skin from their body stretches to join four limbs, forming wings. Aquatic animals like fish have special features and shape to move in water. Fish have fins for movement and balance and tail to change the direction. Turtles have four paddle-like limbs to push water and move forward. Ducks have webbed feet to move in water. Insects have 6 legs to crawl and jump. Ants and cockroaches crawl on their legs. Grasshoppers uses their long hind limbs to hop. Some insects like butterflies have wings which help them to fly. Birds have wings and a pair of legs to fly and hop. They may swim in water also. The wings are modified forelimbs that help them to fly. Birds use their hind limbs for walking, running and hopping. Forelimbs, wings, are strongly attached to breastbone of birds. It helps the birds to flap their wings in air during flying. Birds also have hollow bones and streamlined body, which also help them to fly. Some birds have heavier body and cannot fly because of their weak wings. These birds are called flightless birds. Ostrich, penguin and kiwi are flightless birds. Adaptation for breathing. All living species on Earth are involved in a process called breathing, which is essential for their survival. Animals living in different habitats have different breathing organs and mechanism. Lungs. All mammals, birds, reptiles and amphibians in their adult stage breathe through a pair of spongy, elastic bags called lungs. Air enters the body through the nostril and reaches the lungs through a tube called the windpipe. Oxygen from the air is absorbed by the blood in the lungs and the blood gives up the carbon dioxide in the lungs, which goes out of the body through the nostrils. Spiracles. Insects like grasshoppers breathe through air holes on their body called spiracles. These spiracles lead into a network of branching tubes called the trachea or air tubes. Air enters the spiracles and reaches every tissue of the body through trachea. Gills. Aquatic animals such as fishes, oysters, tadpoles, crabs, etc. breathe through their gills. Gills are thin flat organs richly supplied with blood vessels. When water flows over the gills, exchange of gases takes place. The gills absorb oxygen from the water and release carbon dioxide from blood. Skin. Animals like frogs and earthworms breathe through their moist skin. Earthworm takes in oxygen present in the air trapped between the soil through the moist body surface. Frog also breathes through lungs when on land. Adaptation of body coverings. Body coverings of an animal helps it to survive in a particular habitat. Different animals have different body coverings. Scales. Fish are covered with a layer of flexible, overlapping scales. The bodies of reptiles like snake, crocodile, and lizard too are covered with scales. Most reptiles have horny scales that prevent water loss from their bodies. Snakes also shed their skin periodically, and these are replaced by new ones. Shedding of skin to acquire new one is called molting. Shell. Animals like snail, tortoise, and turtle are protected by a shell. When these animals sense danger, they withdraw their head and feet into the shell. Feathers. The bodies of the birds are covered with feathers that help them to fly. Feathers also help to keep them warm. Hair and fur. The bodies of the mammals like dog, cat, goat and sheep are covered with hair or fur. The fur keeps them warm. The thick fur of a polar bear or an Arctic fox protects them from extreme cold. Spines. Spines are hard, thorny or needle-like structures. Animals such as porcupines and sea urchins grow spines for self-defense. Adaptation of feeding habits. Feeding habits of animals of a habitat are quite different from that of animals of other habitat. On the basis of their feeding habits, animals are classified into herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores. These are plant-eating animals. They have sharp front teeth for cutting and biting and strong broad teeth for chewing the food. Teeth they use for biting are called incisors and for chewing are called molars and premolars. Cow, horse, zebra, camel, etc. are herbivores. Carnivores. They feed on flesh of other animals. Such animals have sharp pointed teeth for tearing the flesh. These teeth are called canines. They use their molars for chewing meat and bones. Lion, tiger, sharks are carnivores. Omnivores. They feed on both plants and flesh of other animals. They have well-developed teeth that help to eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Birds like crow have strong beaks that help in their omnivorous eating habit. Man, bear, crow, etc. are omnivores. Decomposers. These are small organisms which feed on dead and decaying plants and animals. Bacteria, fungi, are decomposers. Migration. Animals migrate in search of favorable conditions of food, temperature, and breeding grounds. They travel long distances every year to escape the extreme cold weather to give birth to their young ones or in search of food. When winter ends, they go back to their original homes. This movement of animals during a particular season is called migration. The Arctic tern migrates every winter from the Arctic to Antarctica where it is summer at that time. It makes the longest migration. The humpback whale migrates from icy water of Antarctica to warm places. The Siberian crane flies thousands of kilometers to reach India.